Boom! Welcome back to Gossip Grenade, where we don't just sip tea, we launch it. And today's explosion, none other than Zodwa Wabantu, the queen of uncensored, unfiltered realness, has just said yes to a new man. That's right, she's officially engaged to Bongani Masina. The streets are screaming and the socials are shaking because this announcement came out of nowhere. Zodwa dropped the engagement bomb on her Instagram, flaunting a shiny rock and looking all kinds of wifey in her own Zodwa way, of course. So her caption, short and shady: when a man knows your worth, he doesn't waste your time. I said yes. Hashtag Mrs. Masina. Whew. You heard that right. So that wasn't just romance, right? That was shade with a side of diamonds. Let's be real. This isn't the first time Zodwa is down the engagement lane. So remember when she was engaged to Ntobeko Linda, that ended with more drama than a telenovela finally. But Zodwa's always rising, guys. Fiercer, fierer, freer, and louder than ever. So who is Bongani Masina? Sources said he's still a younger man, private and deeply in love with our girl. He's been around for a while, but Zodwa's been keeping this one low-key until now. Quiet love, loud ring. We see you, sis, we see you. Now let's talk about what fans said. Fans reacted, guys. And oof, it's mixed. So some are celebrating her happiness, right? While others are rolling their eyes and clenching their edges. One fan tweeted, Zodwa changes men faster than data prices. Another said, we just want her to be happy, even if it's for a month. Oh, that's very brutal. But here's the grenade we're tossing today. So is this real life, a rebound ring, or just Zodwa giving us the chaos we secretly crave? Only time and her next post will tell, guys. So drop your thoughts in the comments down below. Is Bongani the one, or is this another glittery detour? And hey, if you've been burnt in love like Zodwa, maybe this is the inspiration you needed or the warning sign you ignored. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that notification bell, because when the next celeb scandal hits the fan, Gossip Grenade will be blowing it wide open. Until next time, keep your secrets safe and your screenshots ready.